Hey guys, after a long gap, I am finally here and the videos will be continued from now on. So, in this video, I am going to talk about an open source model which is an absolute monster. The model I am talking about will be completely rewrite the rules of AI coding. The model I am talking about is LongCat 2.0, built by Meituan. So, let's discuss this model and also compare it with the big giants model like Claude Opus 4.6, GPT 5.5, and Gemini 3.1 Pro. So, without wasting time, let's get started. Before we look at the raw coding test, there is a wild fact about this model that has the entirely tech industry shaking. LongCat 2.0 is a massive 1.6 trillion parameter mixture of model, but it was trained entirely on a cluster of 50,000 domestic Chinese AI accelerators. Zero NVIDIA chips were involved. This is the very first trillion parameter model to be fully trained and deployed on alternative hardware, providing that near frontier AI models can scale without relying on Western GPUs. Now, let me talk about raw specs. While the model houses 1.6 trillion parameter, it uses zero computation experts to only activate around 48 billion parameter per token. This keeps this inference incredibly fast while maintaining these top tier reasoning capabilities. And it comes with a native 1 million token context window powered by LongCat sparse attention. This is an absolute game changer for our daily developer workflows. This model is best for your front end as well as your back end architecture. So, the main topic, how you can actually use 1.6 trillion parameter beast. Obviously, you won't running it locally on your laptop. This model weight are open sourced on Hugging Face, but the easiest way to test it right now is to simply go to your browser and search for LongCat.ai. When you reach, you got this page. Okay, now what you have to do is simply just go to chat. Okay, and when you just click on chat, it will look like this. Now after that, you can just either you just select here, okay, whatever you have to create, like image, video, thing or such. I will just type a custom like hi to check is that really works or not. And here you can see I haven't logged in yet, so you can use it without login as well. So now you can see it give the answer. So guys, that's all about today's video, because I'm not going to create a landing page or reasoning or testing in this video, because the video will be longer. Okay, and in this video I just help you just tell you about what is LongCat 2.0 and how you can easily test it out. Okay, so you can just simply go and test this model, but if you want we can test it more further, like creating landing pages, or you can say reasoning questions more hard or difficult. Okay, so we can do that in the next video. Okay, so that's all about today's video guys, and I hope you like it. If you like this video, make sure to like it, share this video to everyone, and subscribe our channel. So that's all about today's video guys. See you in the next video. Happy coding.